In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or someone looking to showcase a special project, a well-designed landing page can make a big difference. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account. Head over to the login page on Squarespace's website. Once there, you can log in using your email and password, or if it's more convenient, click on Continue with Google to use your Google account credentials. This method is beneficial if you prefer a streamlined approach and want to reduce the number of passwords to remember. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard. Now click on your website from the list displayed. This directs you to the main configuration area, which is the heart of your site management and customization. Next, you need to navigate to the Pages section on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where all your website's pages are listed and organized. Once there, look for the Not Linked section, which is typically where hidden or upcoming pages reside until you're ready to make them live. In the Not Linked area, click on the plus icon. This will allow you to add a new page to your site. A pop-up menu will appear suggesting various types of pages. For our landing page, select Blank Page. This choice gives you a clean slate, perfect for designing a focused landing page without any pre-existing elements or distractions. Having created your blank page, direct your attention to the gear icon next to your new page. Clicking it will open up settings where you can configure the essentials of your landing page. Here, enter the title for your landing page, something clear and compelling that succinctly conveys its purpose. Now, if you wish for this new landing page to serve as the main entry point for your visitors, you can set it as your home page. Simply find the Set as Homepage option within the page settings and click on it. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Click on Confirm. This step is crucial if the page is meant to capture leads or promote a product launch as soon as visitors land on your site. And that's it, you've successfully created a landing page on Squarespace. Remember, you can always go back and customize the content, add images, or tweak the layout to better fit your brand's style and objectives. Crafting a stunning landing page doesn't end at just creating one, it's about regularly updating and optimizing it based on what converts best. Thank you for watching and happy building on Squarespace.